Ever wondered how AI tools can simplify your life? Artificial intelligence technologies have been rapidly advancing, and they're not just for tech whizzes and scientists anymore. These tools are becoming an essential part of our everyday lives, streamlining tasks and enhancing our productivity. They're transforming how we generate images, write content, manage our workflow, and even how we conduct business. And the best part? They're designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Today, we'll be looking at 5 AI tools that are reshaping the way we work and live. First on our list, Picsart, an AI tool that transforms your text prompts into creative images. This versatile platform generates images in a broad spectrum of styles, from three-dimensional visuals to oil paintings, hyperrealism, and even Picasso-esque creations. It also allows you to replace objects in existing images using simple text descriptions. Whether you're using a mobile device or browsing the web, Picsart is accessible and ready to turn your ideas into reality. With Picsart, you're only limited by your imagination. Next up, we have Wombo.art, an app that takes your prompts and churns out artwork. This is the epitome of simplicity, effortlessly transforming your ideas into visual masterpieces. But it doesn't stop there. Wombo.art lets you mint your creations as NFTs or even print them on canvas, right from the convenience of the app. And the cherry on top, it's free to use without any limits. So whether you're an art enthusiast or a casual creator, Wombo.art is your go-to platform. With Wombo.art, creating art has never been easier. Moving on, let's talk about Notion AI, a text generator and editor that integrates seamlessly with the beloved Notion app. This savvy tool is more than just a feature, it's a game changer. It works smoothly, intuitively understanding your commands and delivering precisely what you need. It's like having an extra brain alongside yours, except this one doesn't tire. The customization options are just right, not too complex, not too simple. With Notion AI, your note-taking experience just got a major upgrade. Next, we introduce Jasper, an AI writing tool designed for marketers. This online tool leveraging GPT-3 technology is more than just text generation. It supports image generation and boasts over 50 templates for you to kickstart your work. From blog posts to Facebook ads to video scripts, Jasper has got you covered. What's more, it can be taught your company's brand voice, and it works in over 30 languages. With Jasper, creating content is as easy as typing a few prompts. Finally, meet Zia, your AI business assistant that never sleeps. Zia is designed to be your round-the-clock companion, analyzing client behavior to help you reach out at optimal times. It's like having a crystal ball, as Zia can even predict which deals are likely to close, enabling you to focus your efforts. And if something is off, Zia is on it, spotting anomalies and alerting you. With Zia, running a business has never been more efficient. That's it for our list. Which of these AI tools would you like to try?